We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
A great website is like a virtual storefront. It needs to look inviting, function smoothly, and reflect your brand's personality. And to make that happen, you need the right website designer. If you're exploring the idea of hiring a website designer from India, you're in the right place. India has an incredible pool of creative talent, but finding the right designer takes a bit of strategy. Let's walk through the process step by step. First up, define your design needs. Website design is more than just making things look pretty. It's about creating an intuitive user experience. What type of website are you building? A portfolio site? An e-commerce platform? A blog? Think about your goals. Do you already have a branding guideline, or do you need a designer to create one? Knowing your requirements will help you pinpoint the kind of expertise you're looking for. Are you looking for a freelance designer for a one-off project, or someone to join your team for long-term? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Behance are great for finding freelancers with portfolios that showcase their style and expertise. For a longer commitment, job boards like Naukri or LinkedIn or design-specific platforms like Dribbble can connect you with designers who are open to a full-time or ongoing work. Now, let's talk about assessing their skills. A good website designer needs a strong sense of aesthetics and a deep understanding of user interface and user experience principles. Look for proficiency in tools like Figma, Adobe, Sketch, or Canva. Ask them about responsive design. How will your website adapt to different devices like smartphones and tablets? Review their portfolio closely. Pay attention to how their designs balance creativity and functionality. Are their layouts clean and intuitive? Are the color schemes appealing without being overwhelming? But here's the kicker. Communication is key. A great website designer isn't just an artist. They're also a collaborator. They need to understand your vision and translate it into a cohesive design. During interviews, ask how they handle feedback and revisions. If they can explain their design decision and adapt to your input without defensiveness, you're off to a great start. Lastly, let's not forget about cultural fit. Indian designers are known for their creativity and versatility, but it's important to ensure they align with your team's work style. Share your project timelines, expectations, and feedback process. A designer who understands and respects your workflow will make the entire collaboration smoother and more enjoyable. And that's it! A straightforward approach to hiring a website designer from India. By defining your needs, selecting the right hiring model, assessing skills, and ensuring a good communication flow and cultural fit, you'll be well on your way to working with a talented website designer who can bring your vision to life.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.